In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to your Monday.com workspace. If you're just getting started with Monday.com or looking to bring some colleagues onto your workspace, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step so you'll know exactly how to get everyone set up and ready to collaborate. To begin, navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll see either the Monday.com logo or your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to select Administration, which will direct you to the Settings page. This page centralizes all the admin controls you need, making it easy to manage users and other administrative tasks. Once you're on the Administration Settings page, look to the categories that run down the left-hand side. Among these, you'll find one labeled Directory. Click on Directory, and then select Users from the options that appear. This section is where the magic happens. It's your central hub for managing who has access to your workspace. When you're in the Users section, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Invite button. Clicking this will initiate the process of inviting new users to your workspace. Once you've clicked Invite, you'll have the option to select which Monday.com products you'd like to include in the invitation. Depending on the needs of your project or team, you might choose to include just one product or several, allowing for a tailored user experience. After choosing the appropriate products, it's time to add the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. Simply enter the email address of each individual you'd like to bring on board. If you want to add multiple users, you're welcome to enter them all at once, streamlining the process and saving time. With the email addresses in place, you can now set each new user's level of access. Here, you're given the choice between 3 different access levels: Member, Admin, or Viewer. Members can participate in the workspace's activities. Admins have more control and can adjust settings, and viewers strictly have viewing privileges without the ability to modify anything. Select the access level that best aligns with each user's role in the project. Once you've configured all these details, the final step is to click Invite. After you've sent the invitations, all that remains is for your invitees to accept the invitation to join your project. It's as straightforward as that. In just a few simple steps, you'll have expanded your team's access to your workspace, paving the way for seamless collaboration and progress. That's it for today's guide, and now you're fully equipped to add users to your Monday.com workspace effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy collaborating.